Hello, hello. Today I want to talk about suppression of emotions. So everybody suppresses to a certain degree because we can't really 100% express everything. I mean, we can, but then there are society norms, right? So, I mean, you suppress some, you express some. There can be many examples which you all will know better because example whatever, there are millions of examples. You can't just go to someone on the face and say, hey, I hate you, okay, I really hate you. You can, but then it's uncalled for. Like that, there are a lot of things. If somebody is wearing pants and it's not streamlined, you can't say, you probably wouldn't go and say that your pants look your pants looks totally out of style, change it now, it looks pathetic. So we have to use discretion and discernment how to share with people our emotions, how to express, and what to say. This is not anything about right or wrong or any judgments. It's just basic etiquette. So both suppression and expression are like polarities. You suppress some, you express some, and yeah. So don't suppress your emotions. I mean, you can express, but then again, you have to go by the society norms and how you make people feel with that expression, and whether they are comfortable with it, you're sharing the expression or emotion, or whether you put them in a spot by expressing. So all these things have to be kept in mind. Once again, I have a notification from Google Pay, some cashback notification. Anyways, it's pretty warm in Calcutta now, summers. Some people are dying from the heat wave, so be grateful that the people who have ACs and fans, they can be in that, because you know how it is. And also let's feel for the Pahalgam victims of the terrorist attack, because nobody deserves something like that. And yeah, I'll see you all later.